how to withdraw money from Fidelity 401k. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you have to know the basics. You need to be 59 years and a half or older. You can withdraw without penalties if you meet the age requirement. If you are under 59 and a half years old, you may face a 10% early withdrawal penalty plus taxes. Required withdrawals: if you're 73 or older, you must take required minimum distributions, RMDS. So the next step will be logging into Fidelity. We'll go to their website and sign into your account and find your 401k account on the main dashboard. Start the withdrawal in your 401k account. Look for the withdraw or distribute options, and you will choose how much you want to withdraw and how you want the money: lump sum, periodic withdrawals, etc. Plan for taxes. Fidelity may automatically withhold federal and state taxes from your withdrawal. If you're under 59 and a half, a 10% penalty might apply unless it's a hardship withdrawal. Submit the request, review the details, and confirm your withdrawal request. Choose direct deposit or check for receiving the money. Direct deposit is faster. The last step will be receiving your funds, which will usually come within 3 to 10 business days. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.